Let's learn sounds of animal. Cat, meow. Dog, barks. Cow, moo. Pig, oink. Sparrow, chirps. Donkey, brays. Bee, buzz. Duck, quack. Crow, croak. Monkey, chatters. Elephant, trumpets. Snake, hiss, hiss. Horse, neighs. Frog, croak. Goat, bleats. Bird, twit. Cock, crows. Lion, roar. Let's go with real sounds of animals. Cat, meow. Real sounds goes
Meow, 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 meow.
dog, barks. Real sounds goes cow, moo. Real sounds goes pig, oink. Real sounds goes sparrow, chirps. Real sounds goes donkey, brays. Real sounds goes bee, bus. Real sounds goes duck, quack. Real sounds goes crow, croak. Real sounds goes monkey, chatters. Real sounds goes elephant, trumpets. Real sounds goes snake, hiss, hiss. Real sounds goes horse, neighs. Real sounds goes frog, croak. Real sounds goes goat, bleats. Real sounds goes bird, twit. Real sounds goes cock, crows. Real sounds goes lion, roar. Real sounds goes yeah. Now let's try with some questions here. Shall we go? Up. What sounds does a cat makes? Guess. Clue is given below. We all knows cat makes sounds meow, meow. Here we can hear the real sounds also.
Meow,
Yeah.
meow.
Okay, we'll go for next one. What sound does a horse make? Guess. We all know that is neighs. Okay, real sounds goes. Go with next one. What sound does a sparrow make? Guess. Yes, chirps. Real sounds goes. Okay, go for next one. What sounds does a monkey make? Guess. Yeah, you all right. Chatters. Leave for next one. What sound does a cock make? Guess. Yes, it makes crows. Real sounds goes